Oh wow.
Other girls wanna take a picture, but I want you in my picture. Strike a pose, say cheese, girl I want you in my future. Other girls wanna take a picture, but I want you in my picture.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just stopping by for the first time, you're very welcome. My name is Stephanie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. So today we're going to be doing a different type of video. So based on the title of this video, I'm doing an unboxing. So I got a ring light off Amazon and I decided to do a review on it in case like if you want to get a ring light and you really don't know how it works, if it's bright, if it's good quality and all of that, I am very happy to do this video for you. You hardly see a lot of reviews on Amazon, I don't know if you get, so this video can be like a way for you to like get an idea of what to get. And I got this ring light for $179, and I don't know if I should say that's expensive or that's affordable, but yeah. And I got this on Thursday and it came on Sunday because I used the Amazon Prime. So you can either use the Amazon Prime if you want to get it faster, and I don't really think it takes a long time if you do not use Amazon Prime. So you can just check whichever one works for you. Yeah, you can go with it. Before we get right into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, which means that you should like, and you should also comment. So I don't really want this video to be long, so I'll just go right into this video and show you everything about this ring light. So guys, it comes in this very big box. This is how it looks like. So yeah, I'll just go in and open it for you guys to see. It comes inside, like inside it there's another box, which is this one here. So yeah, I'll just quickly open this one up and then we'll see what's inside. Do you know there's another box inside this box? Like, how many? Oh. So yeah, I think this would be the tripod, the stand. That's what I think. Let's see. This is the stand, and then it also has this other stuff here. So yeah, we're going to fix this out. So so you open it like this. The thing is that you have to really stretch this thing out, if not. So yeah, I think I got it now. So yeah, we're going to make this stand, and this knot here, I don't know if I should call it a knot or what. So we're going to use this stuff here to adjust the length that you want. And yeah, so since we've opened here, we've opened this thing here, we'll tighten this one like this so that it won't loosen up. And here you open this place to increase the height, and then so yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. And then we'll just tighten it here. And I really don't know what these ones are for, but I'll just tighten these ones here a bit, then we'll figure out what we need this part for. So yeah, so this is the stand, and this is another one. Let's see what this is. So guys, I really don't know what to do with this. It's not entering here. I thought, do you know what, there should be a guide. I don't know why I'm stressing myself. There should be a guide, so we're going to find that. So let's see what's on here. So I think this would be the ring light itself. So yeah, it's got the Neewer, I don't even think I said name, but yeah, it's called the Neewer I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but yeah, so that is what it's called. Now let's see if there'll be like a manual explaining how to fix this up, because I was trying to use my general knowledge based on the other ring light that's here, but I don't know. Let's see what is inside. Okay, I need to be careful. This is the ring light itself, and then this has the bulbs here, this little thing. Looks like a LED light, something like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And let's see if we can get a manual. Okay, so this is what you used to get, like a warm light, a warm view, a warm light. I don't know. And this is the main one that you use, this white one. And it comes with, this is the cable that you plug it with. So yeah, and it has the Canadian socket stuff. So if you're in Canada, you should just be mindful, because you could get the European one and then you'll be able to plug it to your socket. But since you're using Amazon Canada, so obviously I think, yeah, it's going to come like this. So we're going to insert this one here like this. So this is the list of our worries. It comes with this remote control here, which you use to either take a picture or record for your videos. And then it came with this phone holder or phone. Yeah, it comes with it. Thank God, because sometimes there are some ring lights that you buy and then you have to also buy this separately, but this one comes with it, so it's a good one. And then yeah, I think this is for your, I don't know what this is. We're going to figure this out. We are going to figure this out. And this is what I was looking for, the manual. And then this shows you like the description of the things that are in the bag. So yeah, we have the ring light head, the phone holder, the Bluetooth recording stuff, and every other thing, and then the bag, the lights. Yeah, so and then they have like a customer service. Maybe if you have an issue and you want to call them, and then yeah, so they have a number, a US number and a UK number, and they also have like an email that you can also call email, really, that you can also send your message to. Yeah, and let's see what we can do with this manual. Basically what I got from there is that we have to loosen this screw to the end, and then we have to attach this. See, what was I doing? So you attach it straight into the stuff like this, and then you screw back. Guys, I just realized something. So you see this, you don't really need to insert this to this ring light. It depends on what you want to use it for. So you can use it to achieve different photography effects, because you can bend it. You can bend this. So if you are getting this ring light just for your YouTube, I really don't think you should put this, because it's just too long. And if you're a photographer, okay, maybe you want to use it for an effect, so you can bend to whatever position that you want. And I just noticed that it was too long. It was too long, because this is down, but still, once you put the ring light on, it's just too tall. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So we are not going to use this for now. I'm just telling you guys about this in case you're wondering what you use this one for. So I'm taking this one out. Once it's seated properly, you make sure it's not slanted. So you just, and now, so we're going to use this white light to achieve our look. So yeah. So guys, I've inserted this thing. So basically what you have to do is to put this phone mount on this and just tighten it. That's all you have to do. And then for this, like I said, you just put it inside here like that. So guys, I had to turn off the ring light that is in front of me so that we can have an honest judgment. And I'm also going to put off this light that I have here. So this is the way the room looks like with just the lights on the roof there. So now let's see how this is like. Oh wow, see, it's so bright. Really. So this is the lowest it can go, and this is the highest it can go. So you can play around with the, so yeah, you can play around with the lights, whichever one you want to use. So yeah, and I would say it's actually nice. So let me turn off my room light itself. So there's no light at all. So let's see what it looks like now. Turning on everything. See, it's really bright, really. Since we've tried out this white one, let's go ahead and try out the dim, the warm, the one that will give you that warm vibe. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn on this one. So I have to turn off this light that I have here. Guys, can you see that? So this is what this one looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the highest and this is the lowest it can go. So I'm going to turn the camera in front of me. I didn't even turn the camera for the white one. I'm going to do that so you guys can see what it looks like on me, and I will do that for this one as well. So this is with the, I'm using the warm, the orangish, I'm using the orange filter lens thingy, and this is the white one. And this is what it looks like on me. You can play around with the intensity. So this is it. This is the lowest it can go, and this is the highest it can go. I mean, it's not bad. It depends on the type of vibe that you want. So you can use this one to film. And I would also go ahead to use this one to show you guys how it looks like. I really don't see the difference with this one and the white one, really. Or is it just me? I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead to put this one on so you guys can see what it looks like. And I also try to use the remote What just fell? So yeah guys, this is with the white light. So this is when it's low and this is when it's high. It's a little bit bright. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know, this is really nice. It's of, yeah, the quality is actually nice. I mean, it's, you do not necessarily have to use more than one light. You can only use your ring light to film without any other lights, because to me it's bright enough to give you a good quality video, you get. And yeah, I'm also going to use this to, you know, you can use it to record and take pictures. You can use this one to take pictures and you use this one to record, and it's for all phone type, for both iOS and Android. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I would say this is a very good product because it's of good quality, it's bright, and it's pretty straightforward to like install. And I know I had difficulty trying to set it up, but if you read the manual, it's pretty straightforward, really. Because at first I wasn't reading the manual, I was just using my general knowledge to fix it, and I was a bit confused along the way, but at the end of it I was able to fix it. I got a better sense of what to do, and maybe I also had a little bit of an issue with a phone stand, and my friend helped me with that part. But at the end of the day, it's really nice, and that's what I'm using to do this outro right now. If this video was helpful for you guys, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section so I would know. And yeah, I'm going to leave the details of the product in the description box, so it's easy for you to just, you know, click on and go purchase if you want. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.